If you've ever worked with assemblies with moving components, I'm sure you've used interference detection to help verify your design. SOLIDWORKS has made a simple yet useful enhancement to this tool. You can now ignore interferences with hidden bodies. This is very useful if you create multi-body parts with one of the bodies created for construction purposes only and hidden in the model. Here I have a plate with some patterned teeth, but I've skipped certain instances in the pattern to allow clearance for the armbar. I created this part by patterning the teeth and hiding the unnecessary extrudes. Even though it looks like there aren't any interferences, let's run a quick analysis and see what happens. You can find the interference detection on the Evaluate tab of the Command Manager. I'll launch it, and you can see the Property Manager appears. I'll first click Calculate Tool to run the analysis, and you can see that an interference was detected by the tool. However, if I take a closer look at the results, notice that flange on the plate is hidden. Visually, there's no interference. Looking at the options, notice that there is a checkbox to ignore hidden bodies. If I enable it and rerun the analysis, you can see the interference disappears. Be careful using this option. You'll want to make sure that the body is simply for reference on the component and be certain it won't affect your design's ability to function if you ignore the interference here. Also, when you're using the Ignore Hidden Bodies option, the bodies must be hidden in the Solid Bodies folder of the component. You cannot simply hide the entire component. Doing this will still report an interference even with the option checked.